Kapta Chuwi Kmdaya Baobing Pungjam Li Haufu Panit Kakane Mayon Haira Tangkhul Li Si Sada Haufu Statue Ukhrul Town Alungli Kaning Haira Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences with Management Manipur State Shokarna Kui Haira Lake Yangator, Ache the Tangkhul Expressway Pau, Iknguira Shimray in Abami Delay, Pau Ping Maisa in Anganangarumsa. Pungjam Li Haufu Panit Edition Kakane Mayon Haira. Tangkhul Mipok Nation Bi Liki Si Sada, Haufu Statue Ukhrul Town Along Lake Ning Haira. Haufu Panichi preserve and promote Haufu Kaji Dugui Azingli Ayak Mayonna, Veterinary and Animal Husbandry and Transport Minister Kashim Vashum Na Maso Wasami, Gala Ukhrul Vidisi, Gengu Zuring Lana, Kayawo Sada Vazanga, DFO Ukhrul Shangam Shaliwo Aina, MSBDCL DGM Akui El Shimray Special Cast Sada Vazang, Pungjamwe Hatman Unnaungam Horam Na Chief Host Samia. Tangkhul na ajan lagai na gaira kasa haufu hi Tangkhul we indigenous breed sada declare sami khamai process sat zadda leida Pungjam Haufu Lovers Association President Deno Phairei na hanga Minister Kashim na Haufu Panit Bekan Kana Maram Hangsanda Mipokwi Fuyur hi Khawangkwi Khwai Kasa Saigorui Ot Ngarutna Kalasada Kaleji Pungjam Mang Limaningla Tangkhul Pam Gadaina la Shurkwi Khwai Kasa Sanga Haufu Statue J Kanti Avenue Ukhrul Li Kninga Haira Statue J Minister Kashim Vashum na Ranmiya Haufu Statue J Yari Saigoruli Tatigate Sada Awo Ayewi Legacy Heritage Khungli Shit Khwai Kasana Panit J Pungjam Haufu Lovers Association BHLA Aina Pungjam Village Authority Pungjam VDC Pungjam Shinau Longala Pungjam Gadamnau Mayer Ngala Long Zangda Ngaran Kamina Chelim Society dissolved Sada Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences with Management Manipur State Governor na Kui Haira Duidak Chelim Society Malaylu Khwai Rida State Cabinet Meeting Li in principle approval Mihai Gasawi Aina Paikar Kui Mamanda Aya Jizu Kami Gashokna Chelim Society with 29th Governing Council 2023 Kaying Gajang Duidak Gatali Chelim Society J Malaylu Sada Duidak Dagahaina Dissolution Vivang Ajahon Darik Magada Matithang, Register of Societies Manipurna, Administrative Approval Mihaira Gachi Confirmation Mishoka, Chithada Sada Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Borambathi Government Medical College Sada, State Health Department We Azingli Leira Nugachi, Governor Najizumi Gahai, Bao Health Department Najishatmia, Chainim Sweet Property Leda Kalai Saigor Financial Assets Saina, Claims Liabilities Saigor Manipur Shorkana Kuihaira. Ukhrul Punjab National Bank Lut Kasa Ochotli Tangkhul Frondal Organizations na Kancham Sahira Ajahon Darik Tumrangazin BNP Violent Ukhruli Kutlai Kangatan Mi Tharashi Kana Staff Bingli Paibang Kalap Mihai Lega Bank Jiwi Lubang upon Tui Gahaina Lubang upon Tui Gahai Ji Gror Thrada Jishet Lakang Jishet da Panga Shikana Dahanga Condemn Gasahi Tangkhul Frondal Organizations Tangkhul Naga Unaulong Tangkhul Shinaulong Tangkhul Katamnau Saklong Tangkhul Mayer Ngalalong na Aya Gabigashokna Kali Gasi Kangbon Itumwing Shanli Mazang Managa Jahanda Punjab National Bank we Ochoji Luba Kashman Mang Manila Itum Community Alumni Stability La Shisang Kangaro Kaleli Sazang Asakaira that Tangkhul Frondal Organizations China Hanga Kala Osak Chili condemn Sada Law Enforcing Authorities Li Gagatom Pongshok Haira Regional Bingwi Welfare Safety na Kamadaya Nada Ochot Juwi Information Gathathay China Hangming Rock the Investigation Ling John Kawai Gawhaira Ochotju Ukhrul Autonomous Council Nala Kantam Sahira Edisi Ukhrul we Caretaker Chairman A. Mark Luiting Pungterna Tanda Employees Zagoro Namigashok John Bauli Gahang Jigatha Otsak China Normal Sili Madung Maganda Chingri Aina Liraga High Town We Mingli Mashimit Nigabai Dakami Haira Lang Maida Jigatha Osak J Yarina Ngashan Hor Gahai Mangali Sagashap La Christmas Nanai Gahai Damdi Gashoki Kanangla Gada Pongshok Haira Ochot Chili Kantam Gasai Nangasoda Law Enforcing Authorities na Taklakai na Kayona Bingli Pakwi Kwai Kala Yari na Langashoda District Administration Liga Domi Kwai Edisi Ukhrul na Ngagaw Haira Imphal Reserve Bank of India na aya Hotel Classic currently Financial Awareness Program rungmi haira. Angara na ngayon Chile Police Personnel Industry Associations minganin bing la bank signa NBFCSV official signa customers bing mazanga. IGP Operations Dr. Iknguira maso wasada kamatwili yariwibang Financial Awareness Programs dergar salak dalay gaji hanga. Ariwan lupa hiya zabaira da kapiglaga yarili lupa gadai gaza frauders hikathali madazang kamay yari taitan kamay maramli Iknguira na gasatsanga. Illegal Deposit Collection Schemes Panning of Unregulated Deposit Schemes BUDS Act 2019 we azingli mamayamana kala actually azingli punishment la mibaya IGP china hangjitheya RBI Imphal we Chief General Manager Totngam Chamang Nagahang Program Chiwi Kamadaya Karinva illegal kala unregulated entities pina kadeza kwai schemes mi correctly ya rimada sang kwai kala ayin we azingli Commercial Kala Reserve Bank Integrated Ombudsman Scheme Safe Digital Banking Practices Kala Investor Awareness Higatha Thingasa Kabai Kasana Jigata Angarana Yera Kara Atamdila Chumeda Sakabai Kasatsanga Director of Institutional Finance Anna Arambam Competent Authority under BUDS Act we Work Secretary Robert Singh Shatrimayum Joint Secretary Revenue Yumnam Nelson General Manager SEBI Sanjay Sawadi Atuna Securities Market Mutual Funds Pejite Achan Sharon AGM RBI Central Office Mumbai Samachit Singh Senior Lead NBCI na Safe Digital Banking we maramli presentation ni kala ningombam chon SB Cybercrime Manipur Police nala angaran angayay chili bazanga Nagaland we hak makeup kachini dre Hornbill Festival Hokpokhaira State Chiwi Tribes Zagor Zangda Nidrechi Tharatang Mayon Kichina Ajugum Germany United States Kala Colombia na Hornbill Festival we official partner country Sadale Assam na neighboring state partner Saya Nidrejili Zingum Kanima Zangla Ragahai Eastern Nagaland we tribe Shini Nala Ajuwi Hili Sharukuigida Ladale Itumna Paningum by Oding Ochot we aina Eastern Nagaland People's Organization ENBO na 2021 kum Nidrejili Sharuk Makuimara da Kalan Hawa Oding Ochot Richum now Tarada Gatumli Security Forces we Operation League up Tatgahaina Achagum la Eastern Nagaland we tribe being China separate state Jiman Sada Nidrejili Sharuk Makuitua ENBO na Naka we Koka Gasa Jiteda Nidrejili Sharuk Kwira da Kalewi Bang Nishia Gaji Tourism Minister Damchan Imna Alona Pongshok Hairasai. Nagaland State Shokana Gumgachida Tourism Promote Gasa Angaran Angaye Hornbill Festival Chile Festival of Festivals Hodale Nidreji Aya Darik Akawi Aina Haupogda Darik Tara Aina Danda Naga Heritage Village Gisamali Rumiki China Achagumi Hornbill Festival Hina Magada Kamade Edition Nasaya Nidreji inaugural Zimishu Nagaland with 60th Statehood Day Tangasunda Langchin Gasana Hornbill Nidrewi Agaya Kasada Chairman Business Delegation Ping Aina Nagaland we Investment and Development Authority Kangasan Chan Ngazek Adamla Kwigara Dalaya Nidrewi host CM Nephew Rio Nagahang Hornbill Festival hina Nagaland we Panit Bing we Panit Ngasada Ngashan Chat Ngadada Kalewi Alungli Koga Gasa Chiteya Nidre hina Naga we Karing Karak celebrate Sada Heritage Ngashan Kamayon Adamdi Migwi Kangayamang Maningla Tari Magan Ngarok da Ngashan Art Ngati Kangarok Adam Ngasaya Kalani Dre Chili Ngalay Ngadada we Miyur La Razanda Diplomatic Collaboration Kwira Kawai Apong Langasaya da Rio Nahanga Partnership Kasa China now da Kangashi Kala Saigoro Bang Kapa Sampang Kawai Lansinrin Regasang Hakasang Linga Genre da Nagaland CM China Hangsanga Nidre Jiwi Chief Host Nagaland Kavanda Las Kanesan Village Chief Gugigo Bojuri Tribe Mundi Chuba Galagohima Bishop Most Reverend Dr. James Tobil Atumla Wazanga Tourism Minister Damjan Imna Alona Ningashitumia Nidre Haugapok Chile Ambassador of USA to India Eric Garcete British High Commissioner to India Alex Ellis Ambassador of Colombia to India Dr. Victor Ishibiri Ramilo Gala Chairman Council General to India Barbara Vos Atumla Gashudiming Rogda Nagaland Nation League Gahaugala Nidre Jili Ungazang Wearing a Pa Pongshok Naroga Manipur we militant group United National Liberation Front aina Center Shoka bis agreement choice like a highway content ya really mo phongmi bairanga jidalei ajahon Darik magada jigothang UNLF na road camarade violence jihoda chingri ga hai shongfu shong unhaira gaji Amit Shah na phongshoka Modi shoka the northeast le permanent peace kurak wai gasawi mabung ga pha madai sang hairada UNLF na bis agreement choi gasaji historic milestone nga saya gaji Shana X le gabi shoka Manipur Valley-based armed group jom makeup kaji UNLF na mainstream khongli welcome sayada Home Minister China gabi sanga itum na phaningung pai UNLF zangda tampak with extremist organizations natadai dale Ministry of Home Affairs na ban gasa atam gasai sangda masangranga grouping China security forces police la civilians le attack sa la India with sovereignty aina integrity le sa zagapai ot ngarut khwida leida ban sa hai rigsana this agreement choice ga hai tili CM na center we aina hanung da gahang Zingom hang tharuk we thili Manipur na jingri ga hai phekar khuidalei kha UNLF aina agreement choi ga sa chili khimamai jang khala content chi ari confidential aina leisara da hanga Relief camp ling a Iknguira khalai pingwivang handloom skill upgradation training hapokhaira training chi summer schemes for capacity building in textile sector we asingli zimisho hangmadida phangathang lungmi ki kichina training chi aya hapokde Imphal East DC Kumantham Daina Tiavina inaugurate samia training chi madai lagaina ideal college relief camp agambadle leida khalai kajon kharak inmates pingwivang ran kamina program chi development commissioner for handlooms Ministry of Textiles, Government of India sponsor Samilaga, Weavers Service Central, WSC Borampat, Imphal East, Deputy Director of the WSC, Imphal Bria Darshi Dariba, District Handlooms and Textiles, Imphal East Project Manager Handlooms, Y. Ashalada Devi Atumnamako Kamina, Tangkhul Gentra Relief Committee President Sorakbam Ibobi Singh na Program Chui President Gala Shinta Handlooms and Handicrafts President Sorakbam Phobal na Cast of Honor Sadabazanga Maso Woge H Daina DC Imphal East na WSC Imphal Le Mayakangai Phongshokta Program China Relief Camp Weaver Inmates being with skill Mathasan Kangasa Gala Ministry of Textiles we asingly certified weavers ngasanga saki gachi China Atumwivang Kapavu ngasarada Ning sang lagay na zang quick vai hang sanga. Lat luida achuwi kamadaya baubing. Pungjam li hawfu panit ka kane mayon haira. Tangkhul li si sada hawfu statue Ukhrul town alung li kaning haira. Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences with Management Manipur State Shokar na kui haira. Achuwi pau hiling achang haira pau another kalai na tum psycho relate ring ka phagala khama haya simik shong asasiran